Hello friend, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about composite data type. Composite data type. Okay, the composite data type. What are these data type? These data type are similar to domain data type. Okay, let's the syntax of creating a composite data type is create type and the name you want to give the type name followed by h keyword like a domain. We are creating a domain like this. Create domain and domain name as some data type, suppose varchar. Here we can create a multi-value, suppose um, first, and the data type for first comma second, and the data type for second, like that. So we can see with the help of example. Suppose a create data type address, create type address. Inside this, create type address as keyword and the data type. But for multiple, suppose create address for city as varchar 50. This we need to declaring within the parenthesis. Okay, city and the suppose country is varchar 50. That's it. Okay, let's run the query. Oh, type address already exists. If I go here, address, let's drop the table, and here also domain name is, but there is a domain, but this is the domain. Okay, let's run the query now. Yes, there is a table name address, so that's why uh, we are not able to create a type. Oh, this is also case. Okay, let's see address. Now we have created address. Now create some table. Use this type. Use this type. Create table. Suppose company as address, and the type name is also address. Suppose I give them name as address. Okay, or the company address to meaningful name. Okay, let's run the query. The table is created. You can see the table value using select statement. uh, Company, yes, and company has an address type. Using pg admin tool you can see the type for the database. Okay, inside this CMAS, inside this institute database, under the CMAS, you are in public CMAS. Inside the public CMAS there is a we are seeing this domain data type in domain, but below the table there is a section that types. Here you can see that the existing type, uh, the composite type are showing here. The store we have use uh, externally use data type that we have installed first and use GS store. And now we have created a composite data type address which is also showing in the type section. Okay, now let's insert some values inside the table. Insert into table name is added company, and the company address is the column company address values. Values are suppose first is the city Sangamaner. Sangamaner, and the country India. Let's insert this value first. Yes. For inserting this value, we need to use a keyword here because it's showing an error that inside this we need to put these values in the row. So inside this parenthesis we need to pass a row keyword, and in a row uh, and in rows parenthesis pass these two values. Sorry. Now you can see that the value is inserted successfully, or see the values. Sangamanir, India. Here you notice one thing, that first in our address type, first value is for city and the second value is for country. It inserted as we serially put in there. So if I insert the value like first India and Sangamanir, the India is put the value for city and the Sangamanir is put for country. Okay, let's fetch the value using select query only for the uh, company address column. And there is only one column. We know that company address. Select company address from company. Oh, company address from company. Okay, Sangamanir, India. So, what if we want only the city value and only country value from this table? That we need to pass a parenthesis this company address column and putting a dot. After that, we can access the value for a city also. Let's see. Only city showing us. If I use here only country, COUNTRY, then here you can see that only India is coming here. And the syntax is composite side column select company address means the composite column dot the field name. Suppose the city dot field. This is the syntax, or we can access. Suppose this type we are using in multiple table in one CMS. We know that this type is in the public CMS, so we can use for in the table section for multiple table. Then how we can access them? So the proper syntax is table name dot composite column and then field. Here I can use table name company dot company address and then country. Okay, let's see by using. Okay, it showing us India for city. It showing me Sangamanes. That's all about introduction of composite data type. Thank you.